There is nothing like making your own fresh ground beef at home. Is it a good idea? Yes. Why? Because it's good quality, you don't get a lot of fat, you know what kind of meat you are grinding. Okay, so we're gonna use a beef tenderloin. Don't worry about spilling blood, on the edges. We're gonna clean it. And I'm not gonna use the whole thing, okay, just the middle part. We're using beef tenderloin. It is a good cut of meat. You can always use any type of meat that you want. But when you buy ground beef at some places, sometimes they give you a lot of fat. I'm gonna remove the silver skin. I don't want that. You can leave it if you want. Sometimes you buy like 80% beef, 20% fat. I like it maybe like 95% beef and 5% fat. So we're gonna slice it and then we're gonna cut it into chunks. I'm gonna give you an idea how to grind meat at home because it is a good choice. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is just cut it this way right here in stripes. And after that, you start cutting it in little pieces. Okay, so we're gonna get maybe around like 3 pounds of ground beef. And I'm not buying ground beef anymore in supermarket. I'm sorry. Sometimes when I buy ground beef, the beef was very hard, very old. You don't know what kind of meat they grinding for you, so they don't give a damn. So it's about time that we start grinding our meat at home. I'm gonna give you a tip or an idea. Once you cut the meat, you don't wanna grind it right away. You wanna put it in your freezer for maybe half an hour, or you can leave it in your refrigerator for like maybe overnight if you want. You have to be very cold. This is my machine right here. I just bought it online at Costco. Man, it is a good machine for grinding meat. It's $180. You have to go to Costco online and buy it. I don't know if you're a member, but ask your friend. If you don't have a membership, you can make sausage here, chorizos. Yeah, we're gonna make that very soon. Okay, so the meat is very cold. You took it out of your refrigerator and you're gonna start grinding. It's very easy. Oh my God, I'm very happy to have a machine like this. I hope you give it a try. Make sure you buy a good machine though, okay? So you start grinding, it's very fast. I have a KitchenAid, okay? And before I used to grind meat on the KitchenAid, it takes forever. Those machines are not, good for grinding meat. It takes a lot of time. So you may as well buy something different, okay? So what you're gonna do after you grind the meat the first time, you're gonna remove the disc, okay? This one that we have on our hands, and also that one, because you see the holes are very big. You're gonna exchange it for a smaller, okay? Another disc that has a small holes, because you want your meat to come out beautiful. We're gonna use the small disc right here. Make sure it's very tight. And you're gonna use all the meat that was on the bottom. You start putting it back on top of it, and just start pressing slowly. And the meat's gonna come out fast because it is very cold. You don't want to use your meat warm, not at all. Have to be cold. Look at the texture, the difference after you grind the second time. It is something that you should do at home. All you gotta do is buy a machine, buy good. You can, if you don't eat meat, you can always use chicken, like chicken breast, or you can use pork. Stay tuned because I'm gonna show you how to make chorizos. It's gonna be amazing, or sausages. Okay, so you start grinding your meat. You can always, freeze it. You can use it right away. What can you do with ground beef like this, fresh at home? I'm gonna give you an idea. Instead of buying hamburger, those hamburger meat that come frozen, you can start getting some meat from there and just make a round ball. And what do you think I made with this? Okay, I'm gonna show you right away. I made 4 cheeseburger. Oh my God, the taste was amazing. It was a good cheeseburger that we had. So stay tuned. Like I say, I'm gonna show you how to make cheeseburger at home using fresh ground beef. And don't ever buy those, packages of frozen meat for hamburgers that I have seen in some supermarket. Grind your own meat. It makes a big difference. I like to use bacon on my cheeseburger, barbecue sauce, French fry, cook in the air fryer, and just keep coming back to my channel so I can give you good ideas, how to eat well, save money, and cook a home for you and for your family. Thank you for watching. I hope you give it a try. Don't forget to share the video. Just hit what it said like if you like it, and come back or subscribe if you're new. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.